In this video, we'll cover what Vamp reimbursements are, the overall process, configuring settings, and why teams use it to keep spend organized. At a high level, reimbursements are how you pay employees, contractors, or volunteers back for out-of-pocket expenses such as business meals or supplies made on behalf of the business. Vamp supports mileage and international reimbursements as well. A mileage reimbursement is when you've used your personal vehicle for business-related travel and your employer pays you back for gas. To learn more about international reimbursements, visit our Help Center. Vamp centralizes the process so requests are easy, approvals are clear, and accounting has the details needed to close the books faster. Here's the typical flow via the Vamp app and the Vamp desktop platform for each reimbursement type. For an out-of-pocket request, an employee submits a reimbursement request with the receipt, memo, and any other required documentation like the coding of accounting fields or attendees. The request routes to an approver based on your customized workflow. Once approved, the reimbursement is paid via ACH from your business bank account to the employee's bank account, and it is received within 1 to 2 days. Vamp captures the details, including the receipt, so the expense can be synced or exported cleanly to your accounting system. When it comes to mileage reimbursements, an employee can submit a request with their start location, destination, memo, and any other required documentation like the coding of the accounting fields or attendees. The distance traveled is multiplied by the IRS gas rate to calculate the cost of gas. The next steps are the same as submitting an out-of-pocket reimbursement when it comes to approvals, payment, and getting it into your accounting system for Vamp. The big benefits are consistency, speed, and visibility. Employees know exactly what to expect. Finance has a single place to review, approve, and track payments, and accounting gets cleaner coding with fewer follow-ups. Now that you have the big picture, the next step is setting up reimbursements in your Vamp account, where we will walk through the Reimbursements tab and settings. Please note, reimbursements are enabled by default in your Vamp account. Enabling reimbursements makes the request experience available to your team right away. If you disable reimbursements, new submissions stop, but you can re-enable it at any time. On the left-hand side, click on your Expenses tab, and then click into Reimbursements. This is the tab where you can actively manage all of your reimbursements throughout the company. The Overview tab here summarizes the stages of all reimbursement requests. The Needs Review tab here shows requests that haven't been reviewed yet. The Pending tab shows approved requests in flight for payment, and the History tab shows all paid reimbursements even after they've been synced or exported to your accounting system. Now let's configure your settings. Click on the 3 dots on the top right here and then click into Settings. Under this Payments tab, you can select the bank account you wish to pay from, select your payment preferences down here, such as batching approved reimbursements into one payment by employee, and how frequently you want the payments to be batched, and lastly, if you want to allow payments outside of Vamp, such as through payroll, cash, or check. Under the Mileage tab, you can enable or disable mileage reimbursements at any time here. And you could set up specific rules here where you can select the default mileage rate with the IRS one, or you can set a custom rate here. If you'd like to set an international mileage rate, you can do that here. And you could also enable commute deductions by toggling this on. In this Per Diem tab, this is where you can enable per diem reimbursements when it comes to business travel. Lastly, this Business Settings tab is where you can change your default accounting accounts, your approval policy, and you could disable reimbursements here and enable it back over here as well. Now that you understand reimbursement methods and have configured your settings, we'll tighten up submissions by configuring your expense requirements policy like receipts, memos, and coding.